Engineering Alaska, ES100X, is a new online course that offers promising high school students an opportunity to jumpstart their engineering education with an enriching introductory course experience that can be applied towards degree programs at UAF or elsewhere. Alaska is the world's most rewarding place to be an engineer. We are adapting to rapid change, and we are preparing our communities for what's to come. We respect our lands and our traditions, and we are creating positive change. Now is precisely the time to become an engineer in Alaska. We are literally designing and building Alaska's future. My name is Bill Schnabel, and I serve as the Dean of the College of Engineering and Mines at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. Our faculty have spent the past 2 years developing what I consider to be the most compelling college-level Introduction to Engineering course available anywhere. Engineering Alaska, ES100X, is an asynchronous, online, 3-credit, semester-length course that covers foundational principles delivered in most introductory-level engineering courses. However, we do it in a way that is relevant to Alaskans. We base our lessons in Alaskan locations and provide regional context to the course material. In other words, we not only address the question of how to be an engineer, but also address the question of why should you be an engineer, and why is it important to the state. We believe that adding this information provides a more holistic understanding of the profession and ultimately provides a more meaningful learning experience. Engineering Alaska is divided into 16 modules, each representing approximately 1 week of student work. The first 3 modules cover general concepts such as the engineering design process, engineering analysis, unit conversions, and other material designed to provide students with a common engineering vocabulary. The 4th module begins with a virtual field trip to Kotzebue, where students are introduced to some of the challenges faced by civil engineers designing infrastructure in and around permafrost. Later modules include an introduction to geological engineering through an examination of landslides in the Brooks Range, an introduction to mechanical engineering using cactovic thermosiphon design as an example, electrical engineering lessons on satellite communication and renewable power systems based in Bethel and Kotzebue respectively, and a structural engineering concept presented through the lens of the Yukon River Bridge. Other disciplines represented at other locations include aerospace, environmental, mining, and petroleum engineering, as well as computer science. The course concludes with a project planning and management exercise based upon the design and construction of a North Slope ice road. While the fundamental equations and engineering approach covered in the course material is applicable to engineers everywhere, we believe that their place-based presentation in this course will help drive home the point that in the end, engineers serve people. Daisy Huang, an associate professor of mechanical engineering, serves as the course guide and provides pre-recorded introductions to all of Engineering Alaska's various modules and sections. However, the individual modules were developed and are presented by different faculty members throughout the UAF's College of Engineering and Mines. By taking the course, students will be introduced to a wide variety of engineering disciplines by the very faculty members who specialize in those disciplines. We plan to offer Engineering Alaska every semester going forward, since it is a required course for many of UAF's engineering degree programs. We hope that students across the state will consider taking the course regardless of where they intend to pursue their engineering degrees, because we believe that if a student can engineer in Alaska, they can engineer anywhere.